Ladies and gentlemen, may I have your attention, please?
Covering both sides of the big issues with the analysis you trust on News Radio 1040 WHO.
More Americans are going to be working longer because they just simply can't afford to stop working. Let's talk this over with a professional who had more than 30 years of experience in financial services. CEO at Decision Financial Services, Monika Hengesbach, is back on the Davison Family Dentistry Newsmaker line this morning. Monika, welcome back to WHO Radio. Good morning.
Good morning. Thanks for having me.
Is this really an issue, Monika? Are more and more Americans really not retiring because they just can't afford to?
Unfortunately, it is the case. It's, as we all know, the economy isn't the greatest. Costs have gone up. The kids are moving back at home. They're living off of their parents again. And the parents are finding it very difficult to try to put money away for retirement.
Well, and I was going to ask you about that, Monika. Is that just bad financial planning, or is it inflation? Is it something we just can't control? What are you thinking?
The problem is that there's a lot of companies out there that either A, don't offer retirement plans like they used to, or they don't match to these retirement plans. Back when our parents were working, they would get into a corporate job and they would have the ability to start saving away for retirement, and companies would match it. And nowadays, that's not the case. So you throw that in with the economy, and we're in a world of hurt.
Yeah, so exactly. So with that happening, Monika, how do I plan for my retirement?
I think one of the things that you need to do is you need to start looking at ways to cut costs that can increase some extra spending money, and then with that extra spending money, either pay down your home or pay off your high-interest credit cards. I think everyone should evaluate the current retirement plan that they have, see where the money is being invested, and then make some changes into that. And I also feel that people should take a look at their Social Security. See what it looks like when they retire early at 62, and how much the difference is if they do work to 67 and a half. I mean, I just read it's 30% of a cut if you take Social Security early.
I just got my little letter. That's exactly right, Monika, from Social Security telling me what I'd get if I retired at a certain age. If I can get to 105, dude, I am doing terrific. She is the CEO at Decision Financial Services. She is Monika Hengesbach. Monika, thanks for joining me today.